If you're looking for a compact electric pressure washer, you've probably seen the Westinghouse EPX3500. But is it really worth buying? Or is it just another overhyped product? Here's my quick review. After looking at its features and real user experiences, I can say the Westinghouse EPX3500 is definitely legit. It's not a scam, but it also isn't perfect. The first thing I noticed is its compact design. This pressure washer is lightweight and easy to move around. It has 4 wheels with a low center of gravity, so it doesn't tip over easily. That makes cleaning driveways, patios, cars, and outdoor furniture much more comfortable. When it comes to performance, it delivers solid cleaning power for most household jobs. It offers up to 2,500 max PSI and comes with 5 quick connect nozzles, including a turbo nozzle for tougher dirt. It also has a built-in soap tank, which is handy if you're washing vehicles or siding. Now let's talk about the downsides. If you're expecting professional level performance, you may be disappointed. This is an electric pressure washer. It works well for everyday cleaning, but very stubborn stains or large commercial jobs will still take extra time. Several reviewers found it excellent for normal home use, but not powerful enough to replace a heavy-duty gas model. The good news is that it's also quieter than most gas-powered machines. It needs very little maintenance. Just plug it in, connect the hose, and you're ready to clean. That convenience alone makes it a great choice for many homeowners. So, is the Westinghouse EPX3500 worth buying? In my opinion, yes. If you need an easy-to-use pressure washer for washing cars, cleaning patios, fences, decks, or driveways, it's a solid option. It offers good value, simple storage, and dependable performance.